Meditation is a practice that involves calming the mind and focusing on the present moment. It has been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, allowing you to experience contentment and happiness. By meditating regularly, you can also improve your mental clarity and emotional resilience. There are many types of meditation techniques, including mindfulness, yoga, Zen, and Buddhist meditation. Each technique has its own benefits and can help you achieve different outcomes. It's best to try out a few techniques to find what works for you. To get started with meditation, find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Take a few deep breaths and focus on your breath. Allow your thoughts to pass by without judgment or attachment. Gradually increase the duration of your meditation practice and make it a regular routine. A regular meditation practice can improve your physical health, lower your stress levels, and enhance your emotional well-being. It can also help you develop greater self-awareness, compassion, and a deeper connection with yourself and others. Start your meditation practice today and experience the positive transformation it brings.